Now, the one thing I try to describe to everyone to understand the concern and, of course, the pervasiveness of this virus is to think of this as cigarette smoke. You can see the cigarette smoke, you can smell the cigarette smoke from a short distance and afar. The virus can travel just like that, right? Again, I'm going to clarify again, I'm not an expert, and there's definitely some pros and cons of making the analogy of this virus with cigarette smoke. But for the rest of us, 95%, 99% of us, this will help you more quickly get up to speed. So cigarette smoke has been, after decades, has been deemed as really bad for you. And anyone who does smoke knows this and chooses to go ahead and damage their lungs and affect others. The virus is at sort of like the early part of this game of understanding cigarette smoke, because there's a lot of resistance for a lot of reasons, politically, but economically, and all that. So, as cigarette smoke, then there's also the primary cigarette smoke damaging your lungs. There's also the well-known, recognized, and agreed upon, and legislation behind it, that secondhand smoke is bad, if not just as bad. Okay, which means it could affect you secondhand from 5 feet away, 10 feet away, or even from the apartment downstairs, creeping up through various air systems, or even through the open window in the balcony, coming back through your open window 15 feet away. Okay, you don't even see it, you can just smell it. And if you have a baby, you have someone who has a breathing issue, the cigarette smoke is going to affect you. Please just remember the virus as just that. Now, with that, you can readily understand that if you are indoors, that cigarette smoke is going to be even worse than outdoors.